Pidherney's is a heavy construction company originally based out of Rocky Mountain House. We're a diversified company that does oil field construction, trucking of aggregates on the oil field side, and then we have our civil construction business, which is based out of Black Falls, Alberta here. Currently we have over 500 people on our payroll throughout Alberta and central Alberta. We've been very successful in having grown from Rocky Mountain House into the central Alberta region, and we service all of Alberta.
With a growing number of employees, projects, and equipment, Pidherney's needed to build a new shop facility to keep up with the ongoing demand for truck certification and heavy equipment repair.
Our shop in Rocky Mountain House is overloaded. We have over 85 heavy trucks, different combinations. Sometimes that grows to 100. So if you start to do what they call the CVIP inspection, you need more and more room, and with the amount of equipment that we own, we're doing an inspection every day of the year. So it becomes a logistics problem, and frankly we were out of room in Rocky Mountain House. So with the land that we had left to the east of where we built our new shop 2 years ago, logically we wanted to build a new repair shop, I guess.
Because of the amount of oversized equipment, the new facility needed to be equipped with a high ceiling, wide doors, and a proper collection system in order for the new shop to work effectively with Pidherney's needs.
With the way that this shop is built, we do have that separator underneath that was designed by Eagle Builders that picks up the sediment from the wash bay, which is a relatively easy system to clean. So that really makes it cost effective as the shop is operated down the road. Now with the oil grit separator that was installed, that catches anything if there was an actual fluid spill within the confines of where the mechanics work.
This project was also considered as a pre-engineered steel or wood frame building, but because of Precast's substantial benefits, Eagle Builders were awarded the contract.
We like concrete because of the longevity of it. That's a big part of what Merv likes about the building is it's concrete. He firmly believes in concrete as a building material. The cost was competitive with the other quotes that we received. I was amazed with how quick the building went up. The building was basically stood up in, I believe it was 5 days. So that's pretty cool to watch that happen. Many companies are is that when you make a decision to build, it's very important that we move quickly, and that's how we operate at Pidherney's. We're a 24/7 operation, and so we value the fact that when we decide to make a decision, we want to go. Eagle responded on that timeline really great because we wanted to have our shop up and going here in the summer of 2015, which it is. If we would have used a conventional or a different method of building, we would probably be looking at September or October, which didn't fit for us because we wanted to get our mechanics and we wanted to get our operations going while the weather was still good before the winter hit.
Because of the tight deadline, construction needs to start in the winter. So to cut costs and time, conventional cast-in-place foundations were not a viable option.
Eagle was very good in the fact that we built the actual foundation or the strip forms or whatever in the winter. And so we use screw piles, which geotechnically is a relatively simple manner of how to build. And then the hoarding costs were minimal, so we were able to cut the site to grade in the winter and then put the screw piles in. Then they did the strip forms on the bottom, and then they erected the building, they hoarded it in, and we didn't have to worry about spending extra money on the base pad for the building during the winter because of that method of construction.
With any new building, the beginning stages of design, estimates, and layouts are crucial to the overall timeline of the project.
The office team is, I think, second to none. They have a great way that they roll out the package, and with their scheduling, the scheduling was bang on. They actually pushed us to get ready, which was great, and yeah, we have no problems. I would rate the whole experience as excellent. ease of construction, timelines, delivered product, and cost, I would have no problem recommending that they should consider Eagle Builders.